is a little flat from Dongtian company. As you can see, this is very little, but there is everything: TV, Wi-Fi, a relaxing place with a little table that everyone can sit around it. There is a one bed, two places with a big windows on the background. Alright, directly on my left you can see the kitchen with everything: fridge, some plate, forks, knife. You can make boiling your water. Very efficient. So one table to eat with another windows to let the sunshine enter in the flat, and to finish, one bathroom. Simple bathroom, yeah, but with everything. I would like to show you one more time of the flat. This is perfect if you are a couple, if you are a friend, or just alone. And you are right to very close to the West Lake Lake. So, enjoy!